Hey everyone, today we're putting our sandwich maker to work in a whole new way. We are making cookie cakes, a delicious treat that's part cookie, part cake, and totally amazing. The sandwich maker gives them this incredibly crispy exterior while keeping the inside soft and fluffy. It's so easy and so good, so stick around to see how it's done. Our first step will be preparing the batter. Take one egg and crack it into the mixing bowl. Whisk the egg until it's light, airy, and frothy. Now, carefully add 1 cup of all-purpose flour to the whisked egg. Immediately pour in 210 ml of milk. You also need to add a 1/4 cup of olive oil or avocado oil to the mixture. Mix it up until it's all combined. Add 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar and then give it a quick mix. To help it rise, add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Add a pinch of salt to create a more balanced flavor profile. To enhance the flavor, add 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Give it a final mix, but just until everything comes together. The batter should be a bit thicker than a pancake batter. Alright, now we are ready to make some cookie cakes. We are using a sandwich maker to cook the batter. Alternatively, use a waffle maker or bake in a madeleine pan until golden brown. Apply a light coating of oil to it to prevent sticking. After the sandwich maker has preheated, add the batter evenly onto the surface. Close the sandwich maker and cook for approximately 6 to 8 minutes or until the cookie cakes are golden brown. Also, you can use a toothpick to check if they are done. You can also add fillings such as Nutella or cheese to enhance the flavor. Feel free to experiment with other fillings you enjoy. And that's it. And we think you'll find them incredibly addictive with their irresistible combination of a crunchy exterior and a soft, spongy cake-like interior. These are best enjoyed while still warm, paired with your morning coffee or as a satisfying dessert. We hope you enjoyed this quick and easy recipe. If you did, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel for more quick, easy, and delicious recipes.